So, one of the benefits of booking an Airbnb in Barcelona is sometimes you end up with a roof. Also, we have the Galaxy S10 Plus, so let's unbox it. So, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Easily the second most interesting device Samsung launched at their launch event in San Francisco. Now it's time to unbox it to see what this flagship smartphone has to offer. Okay, so right off the bat, the first thing I notice is this is a very different unboxing from your regular Galaxy S unboxing, because usually it's like this lid that wraps around so you can just pull it open and then you're greeted with all the stuff. But this is different. This is like a regular box, and even the materials feel a bit different. So yeah, let's see what this has to offer. So we pop the lid. Oh, okay. So you have this like little thing at the side here, which I'm guessing holds all the paper, your documentation, yep, and also the SIM eject tool. I'm not going to read that, so we're going to put it here first. And you're immediately greeted with the smartphone, and I noticed something else is that the internal, the lining is different. So I guess that's not too surprising because Samsung is pushing this initiative to be more green with their packaging, be more environmentally friendly, so they're changing up some of the materials. And but the result is you get a less premium unboxing, but you know, you get to feel good about yourself because you're helping the environment. Okay, so lifting the phone up. Ooh, wow. So this is the Galaxy S10 Plus in this beautiful white. I love this white, by the way. Look at the way the light reflects off of it. It's so cool. But we'll get to that a bit later. So let's see what else is in the box. We've got, okay, this is the power brick travel adapter thing. So it's a 9-volt 1.67 amp. That's pretty standard Samsung adaptive fast charging, but it does have this like new matte finish instead of the usual glossy finish, which is also part of their environmentally friendly approach or initiative. And honestly, I think it looks even better because it's so matte and clean now. It doesn't have that glossy feel that, you know, sort of sticks fingerprints. And then we have this, which is oh, cables. Okay, so you have a USB Type-C cable, white, also matte. Very nice. This is your micro USB to USB Type-C adapter. I love that Samsung always includes this, even though micro USB cables are slowly just like leaving the room. Besides that, you have this, which is your USB Type-A to USB Type-C adapter. Also very handy, very useful for more than just charging your phone, as more laptops now come with USB-C ports. And then finally, we have a pair of headphones, AKG tuned. Ooh, oh, wow, it's braided. Were they always braided? I don't think so, but this is braided. This is like really nicely braided. Wow, and then it ends in like a 2 earbuds. Very clean, very nice, very white. I like the theme here. And that's it, that's all. So the packaging on the inside is like this sort of eco-friendly. It feels like a egg box. It's nice. But yeah, that's it. That's for the unboxing experience. Let's get into the smartphone. So Galaxy S10 Plus, let's do the honors. We all know you've been waiting for this. So there's like a little cutout here. I don't know what the hole is for. Ooh, that is a beauty. Wow. Wow. Ooh. So I didn't notice this in the photos, but the metal band is actually glossy now instead of matte, which is what the previous Galaxies were all about. Ooh, look at that. Let's turn it on. Ooh, the power button is really high though. Is that the power button? Yeah, the power button is really high up though. Usually it's like about here, but now it's all the way up here. It's quite a stretch. The phone feels, my goodness, so good. So expensive, so well put together. And this white, oh man. Okay, so we're starting up Android. Oh, it has a whole new startup screen. It's not even the same startup screen anymore. Did you hear that? Oh, look at that display. So good. Oh, it's a different tone now. It's not the it's a I guess it's not a different tone, it's just it sounds a bit different. But yes, One UI. This is my first time getting exposed to One UI, and I really don't like the icons. Oh gosh. Okay, So Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, let's give you a quick spec rundown. This guy has an Exynos 9820 processor, the 8nm processor from Samsung, the best processor that they make, very capable, obviously. And then it's also packed with 8 gigs of RAM, and this version has 128 gigs of storage. So pretty good. It's like a nice amount of storage that you may not even need micro SD expansion. It has a triple camera setup this time on the back, so you get one 12 megapixel telephoto, one 12 megapixel wide angle, and one 16 megapixel ultra wide angle, so you can finally get those beautiful ultra wide angle shots with your Samsung camera. And you know what, I'm gonna take a couple of shots here. The ultra wide, ooh, look at that ultra wide, and then now a telephoto. Hello, the regular telephoto, sorry. Ooh. This is a nice intuitive system to switch between camera modes. So you can pull it all the way out and push it all the way back in. Great stuff. Okay, so first impressions, dude, this thing is built really well, but it is a bit light though. It feels lighter than usual, even though it actually has a bigger battery. So this is a 4100 milliamp hour battery, so it's a pretty big battery compared to the S9 Plus, but it feels so much lighter. It feels good though. It feels good, but it feels lighter. So there are a bunch of other new things and a bunch of other things that Samsung kept. So one of the things they kept that I really like is the IP68 water resistance. Good choice there. USB Type-C charging. You still get your 3.5mm headphone jack, which is something that is so rare in flagship smartphones these days. But you may also notice that there is no fingerprint scanner on the back. There's no fingerprint scanner on the side. That's because this time they've gone for an in-display fingerprint scanner, and it's an ultrasonic one, so it's technically supposed to be better, but let's set it up and try it out. So place your finger on the sensor. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, done. So now we're going to try and lock. You see, I keep reaching for this corner because this is where the button used to be, but it's so much higher now. Now we're going to unlock it. Does it feel like a normal fingerprint scanner? Is it as fast as a normal sort of fingerprint scanner that you find in the back? No, I don't think so. I think Huawei still makes better regular fingerprint scanners. But as an in-display fingerprint scanner, it feels a lot like what Samsung's old fingerprint scanners were, which were always like a bit slow. So I guess the experience doesn't change. The only difference is now it's in-screen. And it's not bad. On in-display fingerprint scanner standards, this is fast. But then again, that really wasn't saying too much based on the first gen products. But yeah, okay, this is good. This is pretty solid. I just really don't like the position of the home button here, the power button here. It's just way too high. See, if I were to hold it, and I don't have really tiny hands, so if I were to hold it, that's where I would want the power button to be. But then now I have to shift my grip here. Okay. The rest of the phone feels good, feels like a Samsung flagship. Can't wait to try it out. Can't wait to try this camera out properly. But yeah, that's it. That's it for my first impressions and unboxing of the Galaxy S10. So this is where I'm going to end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that notification bell icon so you don't miss when our review of this smartphone goes out. And like us on Facebook and check out searchandchat.com for more awesome MWC coverage right here from Barcelona. In the meantime, you can check out our latest MWC videos over here, and also a special, really cool video that you'll like right over here. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!